Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Halloween is here and I've tried something. So this look is inspired by Mimi. So I got her picture from Instagram and then I did this by looking at the picture. So I'll just include that picture for reference like somewhere over here. So this is what I got. I guess I got something similar to her. I know it's lot hers was lot better than mine. She's just awesome. She does it very well. Like this is like the basic makeup she has done. She just follow her Instagram, guys. I'll link that down below, her Instagram account. So how did you like this look? Please comment down below if you like this look. Also, if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'll be looking at the picture and I'll be explaining you, and I'll be doing it on myself parallelly. So we'll try and see how far we can match with the reference image we have. So first of all, if you see the picture, you'll understand her top portion of the head is tilted towards her right, and then the bottom is tilted towards the left. So if you observe her left part over from here to here is she made this part of her face invisible, and again this part of her face as invisible. So she has done this by creating illusions. So the way you can do it is you can just paint this part like from here to here, this part black and then this part black. So that way you can create that illusion that there is nothing over there, that part will just become invisible. So let's start with that. And also the center part, she has made an illusion such that her nose looks tilted towards her right again. So she has contoured her nose in such a way that it looks tilted. So I'm going to do that as well. So we'll first start by drawing that partition in the center. So for that I'll be using this e.l.f. eyeliner. This is in the shade black. Let's try. I never used this eyeliner. Let's hope for the best. So I'll be using this eyeliner and I'll try to draw that shape first. So if you watch the picture clearly, the first part itself, like the first line, there are two lines on the nose, but the first line itself is really tilted towards her right. So I'll try and mark the points where I want that tip of the line to be, and then I'll draw it accordingly. So first I'm marking the lower line because that will be the so that I'll know the maximum limit I could go. So you should not exceed your nose. Both of the lines should be on your nose. So mark accordingly. So for the lower line, I think my mark will be till here. I can draw till here, and for my upper one, this should be fine. So I'll try and draw the line. So if you see her face, you have to shade the left part. So I'll be drawing the right line and right line till here. You'll see. Okay, for this there is this, okay, on her left side there is that thin white line, I mean the line with the foundation again. So first I'm going to draw that one. So for that, I guess I could draw this line little like this so that I get that shape much better. Don't you think so? Okay, first let me finish the remaining part. So again, this part should be shaded so that that thin line is visible. So I'm going to draw that line now. You'll understand if you see that. It's hard to explain. So I'm drawing this thin line again. And this line from here. So now you have to shade this part and then this part. Okay, let me just use, you can use anything. You can use the same eyeliner to shade all the invisible part, or you can also use some face paints. So I got this face paint or face crayon kind of thing from Party City. This is for Halloween makeup, so I'll try and use this one. This is how it looks like. And I'll be using this black crayon first. So I'm starting with this side. Okay, make sure you set your foundation with powder before doing that, otherwise you'll be moving your foundation here and there when you're dragging the paint or crayon or whatever you're using. Now I'm filling up this side as well. Okay, this side it looks little, I hope you can see it from the picture, it looks like she has brought some of that black color, like blended that into her skin. So I'll try doing that. Okay, I guess this one has dried out already, but I'm still trying to blend this out a little bit into the skin. Okay, now let's just contour the nose. So she has contoured it towards her right, so I'll do the same thing. Okay, even the right part is little towards more towards the right side, so I hope you can understand it. I just can't explain everything, so you'll understand when you see it. Just work around, just try and see if it works for you. If you do any mistakes, you can just go back again. You can just remove it and do it again, because for me as well, I don't know, I might just remove this line and then draw it again, because it looks a little more broader than hers, so I might just remove that and draw it again. So for now, let's just contour the nose. You can see it. So I did like this, and I have to do it like that. There isn't much space in between, so I'm going to just erase or just adjust the contour lines. was Wet n Wild Duo again, and then I'm taking this lighter shade, that is the highlighter shade. So I'll be taking this and then I'll try to adjust the contour lines. So I'm taking that on the same flat shader brush again. Hope you can see that cross contouring. I'll just remove this line and then draw again. So I'm taking the same wet wipe again. Then I'll remove this from here. I know this is a huge process, but if you are careful while drawing the line, you don't have to remove it as well. So don't be like me. But if you mess it up, I'm just showing you how to cover it up. So one way it's good. Okay, after applying the foundation, just leave it for like few seconds so that it gets oxidized and it matches with the already lying foundation. So you just give few minutes. We'll just try to draw the line again. This time more carefully. It looks much better now. So let me just fill inside. So if you look at the picture, I can see something reddish or orangish. I'll use this color corrector from LA Girl color corrector, LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I'll just draw inside. I'll just fill the gap with this first. Okay, first I'll blend this side and then I'll apply on this side because this sets fast. You can take the same flat shader brush again. And then I'm just blending it out. And make sure your eyeliner is also dried out so that it doesn't move. If you just applied eyeliner and then you start filling it in, it might get smudged. I guess it looks orange enough. So she has some black, and I guess we have to just darken this up or just set this with some powder. I know you don't even need to set this this concealer with powder because it just goes matte after a few minutes of application. Okay, so now once you're done with this, I'm just applying some black shade to the corners, like wherever there is some black shade, I'll just apply it over there. She has that black right here. Okay, I have to be precise, so I'm using pencil brush for this. So I'm using more precise brush. I'm taking the black shade and then placing it right here. surface, so she just blended like halfway through. So I'm doing the same thing. Hope it looks more blended now. Again, she has that black shade at the corners of her nose, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm just blending the remaining part with whatever is left on the brush, so that it doesn't look more red. It looks like skin. I mean, not skin, blood, I guess, flesh. Okay, this is how I got so far. It looks tiny little bit like hers, at least. I'm just hoping. Okay, it looks like there is a black spot on my nose, so I'll just try to blend it out.